2023 Mazda CX-9. With less than 29,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It strikes the perfect balance of fun and function while offering lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, heads-up display, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, third-row seating, heated side view mirrors, leather seats. Visit our dealership soon and start driving today.